What's good with y'all? Shooting my first video on the channel. Right now, got my 335, N55 straight pipe, full bolts on. Got my homeboy right there, N54, full bolts on. My homeboy over here with the Audi. Just started on the glow for him. Shit look tough though. I'm gonna give y'all a cool POV drive. Not much of this car though. Not much of this car. Got this carbon. Got this shit. Simple. Turn out not too much. So think you need a car wash? I ain't wash my car too, I ain't gonna lie. But I'll pause a lot of shit though. I'm finna show y'all though. To get a good POV though. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let's see how this shit go. My first YouTube video. Let's see how this shit go though. Alright, anyways. Do POV drive, straight pipe, N55, full bolt front, 335i. But we'll come back when I'm all set up and shit. Get the head mount set up and shit. So this nigga car, this nigga slow as shit. Y'all gonna see him more. Y'all gonna see him more soon though. Soon. He's been taking a road trip. Y'all see him soon though. But I'm gonna come back out if I got this shit set up though. Alright, let go. Alright, we in the car right now. Put this world. Oh, my fault. Damn. All these potholes in the thing here, boy. But yeah, I'm full bolts on, nothing too much to it. Give y'all a quick work real quick. See how this shit. Not too much. I ain't got my pops on too, so. Oh dang, I left my other phone at home. But I would have my E92 right up here that'll show my reads and shit. But nothing too much to it. Hey, let me know what kind of cars y'all got in the comments though. Let me know. Give y'all a quick drive though. Hopefully y'all can hear. But I have a transmission to stage 3. I've been doing good though. I mean, people been getting problems, but I ain't had no problems. So thank God. Hopefully it stay like that though. But I don't know. We'll see though. just let y'all hear these pops, but these pops are crazy loud. I ain't gonna lie, crazy loud. Now, let me know what y'all want to see in the comments though. Let me know. I'm gonna try to post for y'all too. Got something big coming up. North Carolina road trip. You know, good content out there. Gonna do a walnut blast. Just let me know what's up. I mean, it's N55, E92, it's not even that fast, but shit, it'll still get the job done though. I really need that piece of big though. I don't know my purple settings. My shit is on hard and 0.8 seconds. 3K RPMs at 6K. I ain't trying to do too much phone though. I'm trying to save my turbo, so. Nah, I might fucking go to PTC. Nah. Cause I'm trying to go crazy. Nothing happened for bro. Depends. Place is not real. Yeah, that been sounding tunnel. What's going on here? Ultra. Oh. What? Yo, yo. Those are just only in, bro. That's only in purples, bro. This car is just crazy, bro. I'm trying to get out now. Trying to get out. Trying to get out. I'm parking too. I'm finna park somewhere. I tell you, this car is crazy. This car is crazy loud, bro. So what next going on? Get wing style and shit. Ooh. I'm gonna hit y'all when I get back out the car. Alright, man, that's it for the video. Let me know how y'all feel about it. When y'all messing with it, y'all not. This car right here is amazing, though. Loved it. Every single minute of it. N55, E92. This car is just clean, though. Like, this car is just clean, bro. Clean as fuck, bro. But let me know what more y'all want to see. If y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all, make sure y'all follow the group channel BCB Racing. We're posting it up there soon, though, so y'all go tap in. But yeah, this is it, bro. This is it. Alright, I'm gonna catch y'all in the vlog, though. Alright, ladies.